Today I will be unboxing Pioneer TS C601IN component speakers. I have bought this speaker from Flipkart in Diwali offer. The price was around 2200 something, and I took it under the offer of SBI card, so I got a 10% discount also. So my net price came to around 2003 rupees. Now I will unbox this particular uh, speaker. This is a component speaker. Let me check what are the things available inside. Let me open it up. Now this is the box as it is showing. Pioneer 380 watts 61 centimeter. It is a component speaker. The contents, it is showing speaker and it's the specifications. This is how you place these speakers. So let me unbox it for you. The product is nicely packed. So these are the woofers. As you can see, these are the woofers. Quality is quite good. Speakers, these are the screws and washers for fitting it to their car. Cone quality is also quite good. These are the polypropylene cones, so it can withstand our Indian harsh climatic conditions easily. Tweeters. These are the tweeters. These two are the crossovers. Crossover means it will channelize the sound between your woofers and the tweeters. These are the crossovers. It is clearly marked which one will go to the speaker and which one will go to the amplifier and which one will go to the woofer systems. These are the crossovers. And these are the attachments for fixing your tweeters. Depending how you place your tweeters, if you place it on the dashboard, you need this type of attachments, and if you want to fix it in your A-pillar or in your door pads, then this type of attachments will be used. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, and if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you and good night.